Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Ringed with Love bundle. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this cute Ringed with Nature card. I started off with some of the paper, super cute. This is the free Rings of Love Designer Series paper that you can get for free with a qualifying $50 purchase. It's got these lovely watercolored looks, and what's even more fun is that the dies cut out this page right here. So here are the dies, and there's also a hybrid embossing folder, so you can place some of the dies inside the folder to emboss and cut at the same time. And here's the cute little stamp set with all these cute little images and sentiments. But first I'm going to show you some things that I did with the embossing folder. So to cut out the large piece, I'm just going to do one. So this is the large piece right here. So I'm just going to put the paper here for right now. And I'm going to take the whole large piece and put it in here. And it should fit pretty nicely. And then I'm going to cover it this way now. And I'm going to fold it over. And then I'm going to get my cutting and embossing machine. And I'm going to use plate number 1 and plate number 4 with the 4 on top. And I'm going to run this through. Okay. And let's turn it maybe this way so you can see better. Okay, so that cut out my large piece, and as you can see, if you would have put a full 4 1/4 by 6 sheet of cardstock in, you would get all of these pieces, minus the crumb cake. We're gonna do the crumb cake now. So let me just pull all of these pieces off now. And this time, instead of using the large die, I'm going to use one of the small dies. So I'm just going to put this right back on, and I want this coordinating die right here. So I'm going to grab my crumb cake paper, and the die is going to fit inside the ring this time. So I'm going to line up these notches right here. And I'm going to put my paper right there and fold it over. It sounded like the thing moved. No? Okay. I don't want it to move, and I actually need to turn it this way so that the fold is facing in towards the roller, and put plate number 4 on top. And then we'll roll that one through. And then we have our little piece right here. Okay, and we've got our die. So this one's cool because you can use both the large die and the smaller dies, and you can do them individually or you can do them all together. So if you were to do them all together, again, a hint is to make the large sheet 4 1/4 by 6, and that way you'll get all of the tree rings, all 5. And then this one, since it's smaller, can be 4 by 5 1/4. And I thought this would be cool if you wanted to create a card. You could line these up, maybe make the crumb cake a little bit larger so it fits nicer, and then you could make a card that has all these little animals peeking through all the little wood rings. So that would be a cute card. That might be forthcoming. So anyway, just I wanted these 2 pieces for this card. Okay, so I'm just going to start by adhering down this pretty paper. It's back in stock, so get it while you can, because once it goes out of stock again, that'll be it. It will not be available anymore. And then I'm going to adhere this piece, and since it's got so many ridges, I'm going to put a lot of adhesive on that. And I think it goes this way. So pretty. And then I'm going to use a deckled rectangle. I love the deckled rectangle dies. And I'm going to use a combination of the sentiments. So we've got love and warmth, and we have just for you. So I'm going to do the love you. And I'm going to, you could do it one of two ways. You can mask, or you can use markers, but I think the ink pads really get a darker, nicer color on them. So I'm gonna use the ink pads. So I'm just going to mask off some of these other words and the ampersand, which is the name of the little and thing. And we'll start with love. Gotta always start with love. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure I get the ink on that love right there. Looks good. And then I can take these two off, and then I just have the ink on my love. And then I'm gonna put that right about there. And I'm not gonna press too hard because I don't want the other part of the stamp to stick. So that worked perfectly. And now we'll do you. Just for you. Get that nice and inked. We'll remove that, and then I can stamp you, and it fits super nicely under the love. I'm gonna lift very carefully. Look how nice that is. Okay, so now I can, actually I'm gonna use this later, so I'll just put that aside for now. I'm gonna adhere this down flat. I normally would use dimensionals, but since I'm adding the ribbon and the tree ring, I think that will be enough dimension. I'm gonna use the white frayed ribbon. Love it. I think it works really well with this whole bundle. So I'm just gonna trim that right about there. And I'm just gonna put a whole line of adhesive all the way across and just stick that right on there. Nice, okay. And then we can stick this piece on, and we're just gonna do regular dimensional on top, and I'm gonna do a mini dimensional on the bottom because there's not a lot of room on the bottom. I'm just gonna move this like right there. Okay, so now we need to stamp our house. And so we have a roof and we have the little house piece. So I'm gonna start with the roof this time. Let's see if that'll line up better if I do the roof first. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the cute little home in mint macaron. Sorry if my head gets in the way. I think I got it. No, mostly. A little bit high on the one side, but that's fine. And then you're just going to fussy cut this out. No big deal. It's a lot of just like straight lines. I've got this little curve here. Okay, so there's our cute little home. And then I wanted to add a little heart to it since there's some love there. And this is from the gingerbread dies in the mini catalog. So just grab a mini dimensional and put that right at the door. You'll feel the love as soon as you walk in our door. And then we'll use some regular dimensionals for the house, and we will add it to our cozy little wood ring so it's like nestled in the forest. And that is my Ringed with Nature card. Hope you like it. I'm offering a free card class when you purchase this bundle, and it has supplies for these 6 cards. There's a double gatefold card, a side flap card, and this fun card. So after you purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code, just contact me and let me know that you would like this nature card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial using the Ringed with Nature bundle and the Rings of Love Designer Series paper. Go ahead and go check them out, and if you order the bundle or place a $50 order, you can earn the paper for free. If you enjoyed this video, I would sure appreciate it if you would like and comment on the video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.